Hello, and welcome back to my videos on Football Manager 2021. I know I haven't done one for a bit. So, today's will be, let's see, what should we do today? Here we go. Will be Man United. I've brought Cristiano Ronaldo to the club, and I've made him part of the. Oh hell, adrenaline mode is over. I thought it lasted for the whole mission. I've made him part of the actual team itself, the staff. Couldn't think of the word I was looking for then. Staff. Let's have a look at my first team here then. I've changed quite a few players around here. If we built Manchester United, to be honest with you. Is this not the one with... Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I'm still looking for new players. Yeah, Cristiano Ronaldo is there. Van der Beek is there as well, which is interesting. Let's promote him. So we'll look at him as well. Not bad, a goalkeeper. Not bad stats for a 20-year-old. Okay then. Our next game is FA Cup against Millwall. Should be interesting. Let's see how this one goes. Oh god, this is gonna go totally wrong and I'm laughing. Oh dear. Oh well. Things happen. The fielding in goal for them. Nice. They have Romario in defence, which is not bad. I kept Fred. I don't know why I kept Fred. McTominay, he's okay, yeah. Got Sancho up there. Should be interesting, this. Anyway, here we go. Oh, United 1-0. Anthony Martial. Martial, even. The Frenchman scores. Sacre bleu. Oh no, that was a bad French accent. I do apologise. But never mind. Ooh, I'm sorry. I'm tired. As I was saying before, I've not done the videos for a while and I forgot to explain why. Because I've been working nights in a warehouse. So, yeah, that's made me very, very tired. But I thought, come on, I've got to put something out there. Let's just do it. Alright, less of my babbling and back to the game. Half time, 1-0. Man United, Anthony Martial. Oh, 2-0. Donny van de Beek. It's a French-Dutch revolution. Yeah. Not looking bad. Scoreline favours 100% possession for Manchester United. With a team that's in 10th in the Premier League on this save. And quite a few changes. I'm quite impressed. Normally I'll be swearing round about now, but I want to make this for everyone. I want to make this for kids aged 11, if possible, to get some good tips if they've got this game or not. Anyway, this video is more of a challenge than a take me serious video. Jose Fal, sorry, is more of a challenge, sorry, I meant to say, than a take me serious. But anyway, I digress. Where am I? Oh yeah, 2-0. I'm tired. And we continue onwards. Ooh, excuse me. We have a development report on. Oh God, do I have to pronounce that? Kadamarati. Your assistant manager would like to bring Brian McAdory's existing development to attention and suggests letting him go out on loan to gain experience. Okay, we can do that. Actions: offer to clubs, end of season loan. Out you go. For the remainder. What are we in? February? Yeah, February, right? Yeah. March, April, May. It's only got 3 months on loan. But I suppose he could make a semi or big impact wherever he goes. But yeah, we'll see. Recommended players in Law's youth search. Jim Laws has completed a report on Borussia Dortmund's Jamie Byron Gittins as part of an ongoing youth search. He believes this player has the potential to become a world-class player in the future. Interesting. Oh yeah, I forgot I did that, actually, viewers. I forgot I put out a nationwide youth search or worldwide youth search to all the ones you can get on here. Oops. Anyway. Ooh, sorry, again. Let's see. Let's have a look at Baron Gittin. I don't know. Stats don't look too great at the moment, but Hot Prospect is in the boot. It's English. So I'll keep my player basis thingy going up. Or staying as it is, I don't know which one yet. Huh. You know what? Go on. Why not? I have a transfer budget of 301 million. Let's spend 78 million on this player. Spud. Oh dear me, can't you get your words out? That's how tired I am. Oh god. Oh, thank God it's the weekend coming up. When I'm putting this recording out, it'll probably be watched after the weekend. Who knows? Anyway, let's get another game going. Then I'll do another 2 games, and then I'll save it. Oh, offering my contract. Don't mind if I do. There's only backup at the minute, but we can send him out on loan. See how he gets on. Substitutes needs to be changed. Okay, clear. Pick. That looks good. Now it's time for the game against Fulham at Craven Cottage. They've got Areola. Can get rid of that. Former PSG goalkeeper. Who else do they have? Robinson? I can't remember. Because he's been in a few places. Oh, they've still got Mitrovic. It's good. Good. Mitrovic squares off with Cristiano Ronaldo. Everyone knows, even though I don't like Cristiano Ronaldo, that Cristiano Ronaldo is going to win that one. Oh, he should win it. Sorry about the pause then. I was thinking to myself then. But yeah, he should win it. Well, anyway, let's get on with it. Good possession by Fulham at the minute of having all the possession. Oh, United coming back to win some more possession here. That's a slow start for Man United. They won their I think that was the FA Cup before. They won 2-0. Oh dear. This one seems like a first half ball draw. With clear cut chances for Fulham, 1. United, 1. Most of the possession in the first half went to United, 56%. Average team rating, 6.7 for us, 6.3 for them, 44% they had. No clear cut chances. Shots, none for them, 5 for us. Shots on target, 3. Still couldn't get any in the net. Oh dearie me. No offsides for either side. We'll get rid of that one. One corner for United. Well, let's get on with the second half and see what happens. I'm not going to make any changes yet. I'll probably wait for like the 60th minute, maybe. We'll see. Okay, this is becoming a ball draw. Oh shoot, I forgot to do my sub then. Mason Greenwood. Oh no, he doesn't go there. Oopsies. I forget him. Oops. I have to change over a bit here. Put you back there. This is an unorthodox formation now, but who knows, it could work. Stranger things have happened. Okay, United, you've had your sub. I think it was Greenwood I brought on. Oh no, it's like a ball draw. Yep, it's a ball draw. I'm sorry about that, people. You had a 2-0 win in the FA Cup and you had to watch a bore draw. I do apologise. I'm very disappointed, United. I know I made quite a few changes, but I think you could have won this one. Even if it was just 1-0. Well, like I said, never mind. Next up is the Champions League, or known as the Champions Cup on here. Against RB Leipzig even. Could get words out. It's a German team. Oh, we're into the knockout first round. I forgot about this. As you can see, Chelsea have Inter. Interesting. I'm not a fan of Chelsea. I'm not a fan of Inter. But because I don't like not many London clubs, only one Tottenham I have a little soft spot for because my team's Everton. I do like AC Milan. So, come on, Chelsea. Let's pick. Looks good. Continue. They have Conte in defence. I've not really changed much. Olamo. I swear he used to be a Barcelona player. But you can correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. But I doubt it. Here we go. Oh, lovely bit of possession here. But no goals as yet. The Red Bull Arena. 42,443 fans turned up. Wonder how many of them were United. On the cup performances so far, I'd say quite a few. But if it was league, I wouldn't be surprised and I wouldn't blame them if only 100 turned up. Anyway. Oh, we have a red card. Bailey. We're down to 10 men. Can 10 man Manchester United hold on for a draw or win RBL in the Champions League? Knockout first round. First leg. Whew. This is going to be interesting. Oh no! We're down 1-0. Yusuf Poulsen has scored the goal. Let's make a change. Bring Greenwood back. And Martial comes on. Oh no, that's not going to work. Here we go. There we go. Change to a 4-4-2 diamond. Let's see what we can do with this. It's Chelsea 1, Inter Milan 1. Come on, Chelsea. Only seems to be one goal down. As long as we don't concede any more, we stand a chance in the second leg at Old Trafford. But a 1-1 draw here would be not too disappointing, but it would give us an away goal. Away goals in these kind of games are gold dust and absolutely pucker. But it looks like a 1-0 loss. Means we've got to win 2 goals or more now in our next leg. Oh, Eric Bailey banned for 1 match. He probably did deserve it. Let's be critical. Let's fine him a week's wages. See what happens. I'll say that's what makes him effective. And he's accepted his fine. He's not been a little crybaby about it, so okay. Oh, we got Gittin, whatever. Maguire wants to go on the transfer list. Well, he can go. He's just a meme in most FIFAs. Well, FIFAs, I can't remember. Not played FIFA in ages, so here we go. We'll do one more game. Sorry, what is it? Oh, it's against Southampton. Okie dokie. Well, Martial requests a move. Well, Anthony Martial, you can have a move. You're not fitting into my squad. You know what? I'm going to change my formation. It's kind of late because I've only got a couple of months left in the season, but what the hell? Let's just do it. No, sorry. We'll go for 4-4-2. He's now an advanced player. That's correct. He's now poacher. Deep line player. Bit of man marking there. Let's give him a bit of man marking there as well. There. And there. We'll have the whole defence man marking. Should do the trick. Just a normal keeper. And we're ready for Southampton's game now. This is the last one I'm doing for now. Come on. Oh, they've still got Foster. That's nice. And I didn't see who else they still had. Did they not have Foster before? Oh, I don't know. I lose track of all these players now. I've not really kept up with football since the 2000s, to be honest with you. Because I am 36 and I'm one of the generation that got to see the Premier League launch in 1992. 7 years old, by the way, when that happened. I wonder how old you lot were out there. Or if you were even born. Anywho's, I digress again. We're going straight into the second half. It's United 0, Southampton 0. Can this new formation do us any good? Oh, we have a goal. Marcus Rashford, English born and bred man, gets the first goal in the 61st minute. Our first game winning. That's not a cup or... No, just a cup, yeah. That's not a cup. Okay, we're in 9th after that draw against Fulham. So let's see where this puts us. It's going to end 1-0. It's a disappointing fact that we lost here. Okay, we're still in 9th. Bit of a progress going on here. Not much. Right, that was my last one. So, okay. Thanks for watching. I'll try not to leave such a big gap for my next one. And we'll continue the Man United one. And see where we go. Okay. Thank you. Good night. And